Sky Champion will be taking us along an ultimate adrenaline-fueled adventure on two wheels with the almighty Kawasaki H2, the fastest motorcycle ever created on
Subscribe to Powermoto. Love you, Powermoto.
Powermoto, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to raw.
Powermoto. Guy, the H2 guy from Miami. 650 Eve, he's ridden with him. He's riding with Fast Lane D at the end of January. He represents Miami, and let me hear it. Ha ha ha! Kawasaki, baby. Let me hear it. Nice. Let's go for a ride.
Thanks for tuning in to this episode of the Kawasaki H2 review on Powermoto. The Kawasaki H2, the fastest motorcycle ever created. In this heart-pounding journey through the sun-soaked streets of South Florida, we'll witness the H2's raw power and experience the thrill of riding alongside Miami's most passionate bikers. Prepare to be captivated by the sleek design and awe-inspiring engineering of the Kawasaki H2. Here are some details. With its supercharged 998cc inline 4 engine, delivering an unprecedented surge of power, launching this motorcycle from 0 to 60 in a mere blink of an eye. With its mind-boggling top speed, the H2 reigns supreme. The 2023 Kawasaki Ninja H2 starts at $31,500 and the carbon model at $35,000. And the motorcycle weighs 524.8 pounds. The seat height of 32.5 inches and a fuel capacity of 4.5 gallons. The wheelbase is 57.3 inches. And the motorcycle has 104.9 foot-pounds of torque. It's an amazing 228 horsepower. Oh my God! I know what you're thinking. How does the H2 compare to its rivals? Well, my friend, let me tell you, the Kawasaki H2 is in a league of its own. It outperforms most motorcycles in terms of sheer speed and acceleration. Its cutting-edge technology and meticulous engineering have set it apart from the competition. Wow, wasn't that incredible? These riders have truly mastered the art of taming the Kawasaki H2. It's not just about the speed, it's about the skill and control required to harness the power of this magnificent machine. As we wrap up this exhilarating journey, I hope you've enjoyed every moment of it. I appreciate you guys watching. The Kawasaki H2 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a symbol of speed, power, and the relentless pursuit of perfection. Whether you're a rider or an enthusiast, subscribe today.
Brand new, 47 miles, right off the showroom floor.
I bought it off a dude that had it next to a Ferrari. He rode it one time and got scared.
The Ferrari rider got rid of his H2. My man picked it up for a nice little piece. He's got it up. He's not married to it. What do you get next, brother?
Nothing now. I'm broke.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, 22 Street Bob and a Aprilia as well. So.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, yeah. You like me, been collecting. All right, so this one's, the wife says this one's got to go. He's going to scale back and keep his Street Bob. And his other, what's it, Ducati?
Aprilia.
Aprilia, okay, nice. Which one?
The RS660.
Okay, that does the work. That does the work for him. He's like me. The small bike will do the job, right? This thing right here is to keep up with 650. And okay, so how much? If the viewers want to know.
I mean, I'm not really selling it, but I mean, I'd let it go for 30, but it's not worth 30.
I got you. At the retail side, at the upscale Powermoto side.
Yeah, someone had to make me a good offer for me to get rid of it.
Oh, right. So you're from South Florida?
Orlando.
Okay, well, I'll reach out to you. You know I'm up in Orlando.
Yeah, brother, I'll hit you up.
I'm in Daytona. Hey, bro!
All right, what channel? Powermoto.
All right, what channel?
Powermoto.
All right! Good side, guy.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!